get in the groove and make your body move to the summertime blue. I'm not going to work today. I'm not going to work today. I'm not going to work today. And I don't care if I get no pay. I'm not going to work today, mama. I'm not going to work today. I'm not going to work today. And I don't care if I get no pay. Summertime and the living is easy. Fish are jumping.
So we're still walking into the Puerto Rican jungle, deep into the Puerto Rican jungle. As you can see, all the vegetation is completely surround us. There's like not a civilization like half an hour, 45 minutes in that direction. And it's all just this type of roads that are unpassable on the van. So like the van can go through this, but there are some parts that is too inclined or it's too deep. There has deep trench in the terrain, and at least my van cannot go through it. Look at this. Look at that mountain over there. I'm not sure if this can record it. But actually we're pretty deep in the jungle.
And the cotton is high. Your dad is rich. And your mommy's good looking. So hush, pretty baby, don't you cry. I'm not going to work today. I'm not going to work today. I'm not going to work today. And I don't care if I get no pay. One more time.
As you can see, there are some parts that the van just cannot go through. It's too much of a harsh terrain. Only like really custom off-road vehicles can pass through here. So finally we're back to the river after like half an hour more of walking. We have reached the river. Wow, look at how beautiful the river is. I'm gonna continue forward just so I can get a better shot of it, but this place is completely untouched by man.
I'm not going to work today, mama. I'm not going to work today. I'm not going to work today. And I don't care if I get no pay.
There's a lot of bamboo trees in this part surrounding the river, and some of them, as you can see, are just leaning. This trail apparently has not been used in a while, and there's no way my van can go through here because it's just too tall and the terrain is too inclined. Yeah, there's a lot of cars that probably not even jeeps can come through here. Probably only ATVs and maybe dune buggies can pass through here, but not many cars can go through here. see. So yeah, I think we're lost, but not without hope. I think we're trying to recollect the directions, see if we can get. We might have to cross the river and continue on foot on the other side. Yeah, we have to go down here, cross the river, up that way, and then we can continue on to the waterfall. Yeah, so I have to take off my shoes so that we can traverse the river. And look at this river, completely untouched by man. Like, there's very few people who has been here before.
One of this morning, you're gonna rise up singing.
And the water is very crystalline. As you can see, it's kind of deep, but it looks really shallow because of how clear the water is. So we're looking for that waterfall, but it appears that all the trails are inaccessible because of the storm. The person told us that there was access to it, but it's a local person, so they know where the access to get there is, and we don't. So I don't know, maybe we'll get there, maybe we don't. Still, it has been a fun adventure to get all the way here where there's no people around. ¡Ay, ay, ay! ¿Ves? Ahora nosotros tenemos que hacerlo porque si no quedamos mal. So, the journey continues.
Summertime and the living is easy. Fish are jumping and the cotton is high. Your dad is rich and your mom is good looking. So hush, pretty baby, don't you cry. I'm not going to work today. I'm not going to work today. I'm not going to work today. And I don't care if I get no pay one more time. I'm not going to work.
Mira para acá. Mira, pues, pero checate que no llegue por el río. No es editar más que la palabra cascada, de las partes anteriores.
One of this morning, you're gonna rise up singing, and you spread your wings and take to the sky.
Ah, sí, por aquí sigue.
But until that morning,
¿Qué es la cosa?
there's nothing can harm you. Yeah. With your mommy and your daddy standing by. I'm not